Morning children. So today it's E option. Write the first three multiples of the following number that are even. Yesterday we saw that are odd. Okay, we should write the multiples and then we should pick the first three even. Yesterday we saw first three odd. So first you write the multiples of 9. What is the multiples of 9? 9 table we should write. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. But they said to pick 3 even number. So ending with 8, ending with 6, ending with, it's a even number. Okay, next we want to write 16th table. Okay, 116 is 16 and it's a even number, no, so I stopped up to 3 itself because even number table will have only even answer. Odd number table only you will get what? Even number, odd number. But even number table we will get only even number. So first 3 we got. Next is 24th table. 124 is 24, 2 24s are 48, 3 24s are 72. So here also we got, as it is 3 even number because it is even number table. Ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is what? Ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is what? Even number table. Next is 35th table. It is odd number, so it will come alternatively. 31, 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are 70, 35 threes are 105. So we have to go for one even number we got, 2 even number we got, still we need, no, so it is odd number. So next alternate number, $70, $140, 200 and 210. So 3 odd numbers we get alternatively because it is an odd number. Okay, you try for 48 and 81 table. Okay, so it is not, it is a bigger number. You can do like this. I said no, 48 twos are 2 8s are 16, reminder 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 96. So like this you find out and write for the greater number. The next question, listen carefully. This is 2 is a homework. E and F. Write the multiples of, here also we should write the multiples of 12. Write the multiples of 12 that are less than 60. Less than 60 we should write. We should not write more than that. Twelfth table we should write less than 60. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 48, 4 12s are 60. So we have to stop up to this because it should be less than 60. Okay, the next B1, second one is 15 that are less than 50. That means write the multiples of 15 that are less than 50. So 15th table we should write 115 is 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45. Okay, 4 15s are 60. So it is what? Greater than 50. So we have to stop up to here. 4 that are greater than 40 but less than 60. 4. So fourth table. So what is the heading? Heading for all the question we should see. Write the multiples of 4 that are greater than 40 but less than 60. Greater than 40 means 44. Next is 48. Greater than 40, no. So greater than 40 means 11 fours are 44, 12 fours are 48, 13 fours are 52 and 56. And then it will only 4 number is there. They said to less than 60, not equal to 60. If they said equal to 60, we can write 60. But they said less than 60, so we are stopping here. 6 that are greater than 60. That is, find the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 greater than 60 but less than 85. Greater than 60 means 60 is 6, 72. That means 11 6 are 66, 12 6 are 72, 13 times it is 78, 14 times it is 84. Okay, so the next one, write true or false. 27 is a multiple of 4. That meaning is in fourth table 27 will come, it will not come, so it is false. 35 is a multiple of 5. Yes, it is true because 5 sevens are 35. 49 is a multiple of 7. Yes, it is true because 7th table we will get 49. 86 is a multiple of 8. 10 8s are 80, 11 8s are 88, not 86. So it is also false. So up to this you copy in your class work. Okay, thank you.